Hello everyone, I'm Xiaopa, a foreigner from Luzhou, Taizhou. Today is a traditional Chinese festival called Dragon Boat Festival. I was invited by my student Zoe to celebrate the festival at their home.
Hey, Pascal.
Hi Zoe, thanks for having me.
It's great that you can join us.
It's a wonderful day today.
Come on, Pascal. Everything's ready.
Let's go.
裴老师来了，我们来点松花酒。
给你一把宝剑。
Thank you. Come on. Yeah. You. Wow.
端午节喝松花酒可以改造一种万能保小癌、健康平安、大吉大利。
Xionghuang Wine. Is it for drinking?
Xionghuang Wine is Chinese liquor seasoned with reagar. It is believed that spreading it on the forehead can bring us health and luck.
Well, in that sense, give me some. I would like to be healthy and lucky. Don't you eat zongzi on Dragon Boat Festival? Why are there so many dishes?
Actually, there is another typical food, Shibingtong, for Dragon Boat Festival. It is really popular here in Luqiao, and we will eat Shibingtong today. Hope you like it.
Wow, the Chinese dining table is so abundant. How does one eat Shibingtong?
食饼童由来已久，相传从明代开始就有。来，我给你演示一下。
Pascal, let's show you how to make Shibingtong. First, unfold a piece of pastry. Then, add some fried noodles, egg shreds, pork, fried shrimp, green beans, and onions, and so on. At last, roll the pastry. See, here it is.
Wow, I'm finished. How is it?
It's very good.
Very cool. It looks like a large spring roll. This shibingtong is very delicious. The skin is very thin and everything on the inside is what I love to eat. It's amazing.